Hey, how's everything going? Long time no see, and I missed you. So actually, I had my hands full, and now I have much time to make videos and to continue making videos. And in this lesson, I'm going to talk about nouns. They can be singular and plural, and I'm going to focus on plural nouns. Actually, how to form plural noun. And a lot of people say it's easy, we have to add s, but not in all cases. In some cases, yes, this is right. We should add s to the word. Let me go through it. Actually, in this case, we can see regular nouns where we can add s to the word. Car, cars, cars. Pen, pens, pens. Leg, legs, legs. House, houses. Pay attention to its pronunciation. It's not houses, but houses. Houses. Desk, desks, desks. So our task is just to add s to the word and to make it plural. And in these cases, we're going to remove y and actually add ies. Yes, or change y into i. ies. Let's take a look at the examples. Baby, babies, babies. Lady, ladies, ladies. Country, countries, many countries. Story, stories, stories. I love reading stories. I'm into reading stories. Party, parties, parties. Okay, now in the third case, we're going to remove f or fe, and we're going to add ves, ves. Life, lives, lives. Knife, knives, knives. Wife, wives. Wolf, wolves, wolves. And leave, leaves, leaves. I love yellow leaves. Okay, let's wrap it up. And actually, I'm going to make another video, part 2 video about plural nouns. And this is going to be part 1 video about nouns. So, in this case, we have to just add s to the word. And in this case, we're going to remove y and we're going to add ies. And in this case, we're going to remove f or fe and we're going to add ves. I hope the lesson was clear. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye. Hi, welcome again to my channel. Making mistakes is not a problem, but still, not to make mistakes is great. So, I'm going to talk about nouns and plural form day 2 or part 2. So, in this case, we can see that all words finish to letter Y, right? All words finish to letter Y, and our task is to add S to make it plural. Boy, boys, right? It's a piece of cake. Boy, boys. Toy, toys. Z. Key, keys. Monkey, monkeys. Or donkey, donkeys. And day, days. There are 7 days of the week. And in this case, actually, we should add es if the words finish to letter S or CH, SH, X, Z, or Z. Yes, it's a bit tricky, but still do your best to remember or just practice many, many times. And it's going to be like watch, watches. Again, the pronunciation is z, watches, watches. The same, match, matches. Fox, foxes. Again, z. Box, boxes, boxes. Quiz, quizzes. Remember, here we're going to double letter Z. And let's take a look at the last letters. CH, CH, X, X, and Z. And we should add ES if the word finishes to those letters. And the last part is no change. How come we shouldn't change anything? Well, actually, there is a list of some words that is not going to change. And those are fish, fish. But remember, if there is only one type of fish and many of it, we say fish. But if there are different types of fish, we say fishes, fishes. Sheep, sheep. Deer, deer. News, news. And the last one is scissors. We always say scissors. Let's wrap it up. If the word finishes to letter Y, we should add S to make it plural. In this case, try to remember these letters, right? Those are S, CH, SH, X, and Z, or Z. And here is the list of no change words. I hope the lesson was useful. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button subscribe. Don't miss further lessons. See you in the next lesson.